So everybody, I'm here with Yanal, who thinks everything's easy. Here's our 3 transformers. We actually ripped out all those this morning. There's a couple other kids here that helped out with that. So we got rid of all that. And then what we did is we purchased several of these very small VDC to VDC voltage converters, and it's adjustable, so I can use the little brass screw head right here to adjust this. Essentially, we can take 12 volts in, and we can put out anywhere from 1 volt to like 52 volts, something ridiculous like that. But what we need to do, is we need to have 12 volts in and an adjustable to 1.5 to 2 volts out, depending on what glow plug temperature we need. So what we built was an adapter box. There's 4 inputs. The relay from engine 1, 2, and 3, positive, and then 1 negative that goes into our project box. And you can see 3 of these voltage converters, 1, 2, and 3. And what we do is they go to the positive 12 volts goes to the top of each of these, and then whatever voltage we regulate is coming out the bottom. And they actually all share a common ground. So we just gonna ran the negative out that way, and it's grounded to our bus board down there. But so essentially the way it works is we already have it adjusted to a 1.75 volts. Coming out of here to engine 1, it comes all the way around and snakes around to this glow plug connector. There's a boot that goes over this. It's just not on there now. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a pin just to kind of hold this up against the framework. And Yanal is going to turn this on. If he turns it on right now, go ahead. We don't get any glowing because we don't have the electrical connection. All we have is the positive. But he'll turn this off for a second. And I'll bring this in, and I'm going to use the pen, being it's an insulator. I'm going to hold it up to that guy there. And we're going to look to see what happens here. And nothing. Hold on, maybe it's just a little bit of an adjustment. Go and turn it off. Let me get this on there better. Let me do it right up on the corner here. So our frame should be grounded. Go ahead. And there's our glow plug. You can see that's definitely putting out. So that's going to actually ignite our Jet A fuel mixture. Now what we're doing, do you want to shut it off? We're going to make an adapter, because the glow plugs are actually smaller than the spark plug configuration that was utilized before. And that's what we're working on next. Our plan of attack is to use these pipe nuts, and the pipe nut we got with an outside thread that fits into the cavity of the engine as if it was the spark plug. But the nice thing is the hole is slightly smaller than the tap size required for this to go into here. So we're actually going to tap this, and that will be with the glow plug thread. So this becomes an adapter, and that's what's going to go to the side of the engine. And then all 3 engines will have their own glow plugs, because we've got 1, 2, and 3.